Jody of the Jody Sims YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. Here's what he did with it. He created a group of cars, each one pretty unique. And there's one that I absolutely love. I really like how Jody's been around for a little while now, and it's been interesting watching his skills just develop and his builds just keep getting better and better and better. This one I really like because of the roller. I've been waiting to see these rollers put to use. And it's always fun when they are, because they seem natural for the wasteland to me. But this one, yeah, this is the one that naturally captures me because it has a combi in it and a helicopter, and it's a cool combination. So, anyhow, I hope you like these builds as much as I do. They're cool. You'll see a little bit more coming up. Jody is the host. He puts on the Death Race Invitationals, the Death Race event each year. Death Race 2024 is coming up later this year. So be sure and check out his channel to watch for that. He's also going to do a story time video about these builds. So be sure and go over and check it out. There's links to his channel and Instagram page in the description to this video. Thanks everybody for watching these videos. I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the